I'm in the port. I managed to get here alone and I didn't tell anybody. That's how antisocial I am. However, I am going to an event, so I guess that's very social of me. It's been a while. Wow, look at the water. Look at this sunset. Sunset over Ibiza. Look all the outdoor sporty people. I'm being reminded why I don't like partying at all. I still haven't found where I'm going. They told me that I have to go to the other port on the other side, so I'm not really sure what that means. Let's see. Let's just keep walking. You basically spend a lot of time finding places and getting to places, and then you end up in a place with a bunch of people. I hope they have COVID measures going on, even though I don't want to wear the mask, but I just want there to be a lot of space. That's what I like about this program, the space. I've always liked space, and I've always liked being very hygienic, and I've never liked people's saliva in me, on me, or around me, or people breathing on me, so this all works pretty well for me, as long as they don't make me wear a mask. The mood is already set up. Smells like partying here. I'm getting closer. This is weird. I don't know if I'm gonna like this. If I end up with COVID here, it's gonna be you guys' fault. So that was actually a really fun night, but the music was really loud at the end. It's 10 p.m, not even, but I'm just falling asleep because I wake up at 6 in the morning. And I'm going home, I left, and I'm just trying to find a taxi. I met so many nice people, so I'm really glad that I went. I've just realized that I never use the phone at night for video, and the video quality is actually really good for night time. This is where I am, just in front of Ibiza town. I just came back from swimming in the beach. It's mid-November and I'm still going to swim in the beach and I feel amazing, to be honest. I'm just so happy. The water is fresh and my body feels amazing, swimming for longer. I wish I had a swimming pool. It's so cold. The weather completely changed. But look where I am. I'm back at the marina. That's Ibiza town. I'm gonna go to the shops. I'm back in London. I need milk because I need some tea. And they just informed me from Iberia that they found my luggage because yesterday night I arrived and my luggage wasn't there. It was lost. And it's beautiful. Every time I come back, I realize I've really missed it. But I never wanna come back and I never wanna then come back from here to Ibiza. It just makes you realize I think I like both places for different reasons equally, you know? It's actually so refreshing. The air, it's dry. To pop into Marks and Spencer's, I hope it's open. I woke up really early. I want to get some Christmassy things. Great, it's not open. Oh, I can't believe it's not open. When do they open? Check out my winter situation. Okay, so they are far from open. They open at 11. 11? It's like after my lunchtime right now. I should really go to Columbia Flower Market for flowers because it's Sunday. But I'm not really feeling going that way. I went to the bakery this morning and I picked up 2 morning buns. You can't see them here, but they're basically cinnamon buns and they're really amazing. Here is my breakfast, which I have on the floor as usual. I have a morning bun and a wedding breakfast from Fortnum & Mason. Wedding breakfast tea, it's called. I think it's called that way because it was a commemoration of some royal wedding. But it's nice, it's like English breakfast. I'm in my lift. I'm just gonna go to pick up my Sunday roast. Oh my god, my hair is so long. I'm gonna go to pick up my Sunday roast that they are cooking for me. This is one of the things that I miss about London is, you know, the options.